Is the default gateway always the router's IP? Not always. Simple concept. A default gateway is the exit path of our network. So when we say IP default gateway, it's mean an IP address that we point to as the place where traffic is sent when it needs to leave the local network. Does the IP numbers matter? Not really. The important thing is the device behind that IP must be able to forward the packets to another network. Let's start with the most basic example. We have two computers, one router, and the router IP is 192.168.1.1, and the network we set 192.168.1/24. On the computer, we set the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. The logic is simple. If the computer pings 192.168.1.2, it's the same subnet, traffic is sent directly. No gateway involved. But if the computer tries to reach 1.1.1.1 outside the 192.168.1.0/24, traffic is forwarded to the default gateway 192.168.1.1. Now, this question always comes up. Why is the default gateway usually the router's IP? Because a router has a routing table that knows how to decide where packets should go, that can forward the traffic between different networks. In short, routers are designed to be a network exit. More complex case, layer 3 switch. Imagine a layer 3 switch at the access layer, multiple VLAN interface with IP address. The layer 3 switch can do inter-VLAN routing. In this case, client can use the layer 3 switch IP as their default gateway because the switch is capable for routing. Then, the default gateway of the layer 3 switch is the router IP. So the traffic flow becomes client through the layer 3 switch, and then the packet goes to router, and then next goes to ISP. So now the answer is clear. Does the default gateway always have to be a router IP? Not and no always. Default gateway is not about the IP number but about the function of the device behind the IP. As long as the device can perform routing, it can be a default gateway. The key point is simple. It must know where to send the packet next. Okay.